you've been investing in stocks heavily over the past 7+ years, you've probably been doing a bit of a jig too, like I have been doing. If you were to describe the stock market during this time, one would probably say it's been one big street party in a neighborhood that's been ravished by the financial meltdown in 2008. So how did we get our groove back? Well, the best way to describe it is that central banks around the world, led by the Federal Reserve in the United States, decided to throw a really big street party to get people in a more positive frame of mind. The best way to feel good and get a good vibe going is music. So the Federal Reserve essentially became Club Fed, led by DJs Ben Bernanke and Janet Yellen. And what did they do? DJ Ben and subsequently DJ JL started spinning some up-tempo music, hoping that people would start tapping their feet, get the blood moving, and eventually get people feeling good about themselves, so much so that they'll want to help get their neighborhood moving again. Essentially what they did was lower interest rates. And guess what? It worked! At Club Fed, they kept dropping interest rates and kept dropping some pretty heavy beats. And soon, lots of companies and people started to essentially start dancing. Red Bulls and Grey Goose was flowing. The neighborhood was getting its groove back, and over the last 7+ years, it's been one non-stop party. Now, over the past few years, there have been many attempts by people who don't like the music that Club Fed has been playing and have tried to crash the party per se. And whenever that's happened, DJ Ben and DJ Janet Yellen have simply blasted the music higher and printed more money just to drown out those naysayers. So the music and party continues on. However, there have been rumors that Club Fed may be getting a little bit tired of the party and is looking to shut it down by increasing interest rates. And if that's the case, and DJ JL were to suddenly stop playing the music and to start suddenly increasing interest rates, people would be forced to come down from their energy drink-induced high. And guess what's going to happen? People are going to bolt for the exits and they're going to start selling stocks. Big time. So that's where the party's at. The question we all need to ask ourselves as investors is, do we want to be the last ones out of the door when the music stops? Or do we have our wits to know we better be hovering around the exits with our investments?